Hello friends, let's continue to crochet a small puppy. And now let's make the ears. We take Gazelle baby cotton and the hook 2.1. First of all, we make a magic loop and 8 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop. Then we make 2 chains, and this is our first double crochet. Then we make a double crochet in this loop, but just the first step, like this. Another one, again just the first step, and another one. We have 4 loops on the hook, and now we crochet them all together, and we have a bobble stitch with 4 double crochets. In the next loop we make a single crochet, and in the next loop we make 4 double crochets in one loop and with a common top. 2, 3 and 4, and all together. A single crochet in the next loop, and again a bobble stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4, all together. And we make 3 single crochets for 1 single crochet in each loop. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch in the first top, and 1 chain. In the next round we make 8 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch in the first loop and 2 chains. And in the next round we make 6 bobble stitches and then single crochets till the end of the round. 1, 2, 3, all together. A single crochet in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet in the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet, and one more bubble stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, and single crochets till the end of the round. 3, 4, 5. A slip stitch in the first common top, and a chain. In the next round, we make 16 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16. A slip stitch in the first loop and 2 chains. And in the next round we make 6 bubble stitches again. 1, 2, 3, all together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we make single crochets till the end of the round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A slip stitch in the first common top and a chain. In the 7th round, we make 4 decreases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, a slip stitch and 2 chains. And in the next round we make 5 bobble stitches. 1, 2, 3, all together, a single crochet, then 4 double crochets with a common top, 3, 4, all together, and a single crochet in the next loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more bobble stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, and single crochets, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch in the first stop and 1 chain. In the next round we make 12 single crochets, 1 single crochet in each loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a slip stitch and 2 chains. And in the next round we make 5 bobble stitches, 1, 2, 3, all together, a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, all together, a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more bubble stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 all together, and 3 single crochets till the end of the round. 3. A slip stitch in the first common top and a chain. And in the next round we make 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, a slip stitch, fold the ear in a half, we make 2 chains and make 3 small bubble stitches for the both sides. One, 2, and all together, and a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, all together, a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, all together, and a chain. We leave the long end of the thread to sew the ear to the head, and make the second ear in the same way, and see you in the next part.